Hello guys, and in this video I am going to show you how to fix automatic repair error in Windows 11. And if you are new to my channel, please consider subscribe and like in this video. Here are some steps to fix the automatic repair loop in Windows 11. Let's start with first one. First, you need to access advanced startup options. To do that, you need to force restart your computer. If your computer is not booting up, you should do the forced restart. To do that, you need to hold your power button few times, then it will be automatically trigger the Windows and load the advanced startup option manually. And if it is not working, you have to go with manual. To do that, go to your start menu, go to setting here. In here you need to scroll down, go to recovery option, and you can see there is option called advanced startup. Just tap on restart, then it will be restart your computer and open with advanced startup option method. When you came here, you need to follow this method. When you in advanced startup option menu, you need to go to troubleshoot option, then after you need to click on advanced options, then after tap on startup repair, and Windows will initiate the repair process. Scan your system files and configuration. Follow the on-screen instruction if it is available. And if this one is not working, you need to follow this method. Again, you need to come to the advanced startup options, then after choose the troubleshoot option again, then you need to tap on advanced options and the startup setting. In here you need to click on restart. After your PC restart, press 4 key or F4 to boot into the safe mode. When you are in boot mode, you have to do this one. Safe mode also similar to this kind of window, so I am going to do that operation using this window. First, you need to open command prompt as administrator, right click on it, run as administrator, tap on yes. Now you need to type sfc /scan now. Hit enter. It will take around 5 minutes to scan all the files and repair corrupted system files. After this one completed, you need to again type CHKDSK /F/R and press enter. This will check for and fix the disk errors. So then after you need to, if it is not working, you need to use DISM tool. To do that, first you need to come with safe mode, then after again you need to open command prompt and run as administrator. Now you need to type DISM /online OS capital /clean up -image. Everyone first letter is capital /restore health. Hit enter. This will repair the Windows image file. And it also not working, you have to perform a system restore. To do that, you need to come with the advanced startup options using advanced restart. Then after you need to choose the troubleshoot option, then go with advanced options, then choose the system restore. Follow the on-screen instruction to restore your computer into previous working state. And if you don't have previous working state, you can't do that system restore. So make sure remember that one. And it also, if you can't do that, you can uninstall the recent update. Again, you need to go to advanced startup options menu and go to troubleshoot again, and then after choose the advanced options. In this time you need to choose uninstall updates. Choose to uninstall the most recent quality of feature updates of the Windows. After the uninstall process is complete, you can restart your computer, check the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still occurring, you can go with advanced fixes method. Again, you need to go to advanced startup option menu, choose the troubleshoot and click on advanced options, and this time you need to open command prompt. I am open command prompt in this window. Right click on it, run as administrator, tap on yes. Now you need to type boot rec space / fix mbr. Hit enter. After that process is completed, again you type boot rec / fix boot. Hit enter. After that completing, again type boot rec / scan os. Hit enter. Finally boot rec / rebuild bcd. Hit enter. Okay, then after it is not working, you have to reset your computer. To do that, go to advanced startup options again and select the troubleshoot as I previously said. Then after you need to tap on reset this PC. Then after in the menu you need to choose keep your files or remove everything. Then after you can follow the on screen instruction to reset your PC completely. If that reset method is also not working, you have to create bootable USB drive and reinstall the Windows. I have a previous video I created how to create bootable USB drive using Windows 11. You can watch that video and create a new USB drive using Windows 11 and install the Windows. So these are the methods you can follow to fix your automatic repair issue in Windows 11. And if you think this video is helpful, please consider subscribe and liking this video.